So going to Anchorage, which is Alaska's biggest city, I kind of need someone to take me around, so thankfully Jack will be doing that. And we have some restaurants. I'm curious to see what they have, you know, how they handle things and what they're calling a city in Alaska. About the size of Delaware, with over 40% of all of Alaska's population, Anchorage is surrounded by 6 mountain ranges where there's lots of fishing, hiking, and it seems some fabulous dining too. I've got Jack to take me to some of those tasty places, and the first is a drive to Southside Bistro, as you would guess, on the south side of town. I'm a little concerned to be stopping in this strip mall with not much around. Oh, much nicer inside. The chef, Travis, is ready to prepare some king salmon. Delish. All right, this is the famous king salmon I've been hearing about.
Yes.
Big guy. What are we doing?
So we're gonna do one of my favorite preparations, and it's king salmon with lentils and a cherry sauce, a little bit of tarragon. I like those flavor combinations.
Oh, I love tarragon.
Yes.
Wow, it's cool. Some big fish.
This is about an average size king. This is about 20 pounds.
20, and that's average.
We use everything as well.
Good.
Collar. The bones go into stock or hot and sour soup, which is pretty popular.
Nice. Not waste, that's right. That's a beauty. Look at that collar. Oh my God.
It's definitely a good looking fish today.
Really good looking fish.
The fins and the bones do really well in soups. It can be kind of oily. Well,
one of the things you were saying is how a fish is caught matters as far as
how
how
the
it's
fish is
handled.
handled, yeah.
So this one looks pretty nice.
I'm happy with this. A little tear right here, that's just about it. And other than that, this is a good quality fish.
Just those pin bones.
Yeah. A lot of people when they go fishing, and they won't bother with this step because it's a little fussy.
Really?
It's kind of a restaurant thing.
Yeah, you want it to be nice for people, for sure.
Exactly. Nobody wants to find this on their plate, so.
Right. I mean, they don't get tender enough to really chew or anything,
No,
right?
no, it's
so
not that kind of a
much
bone.
much better to get them out. Do you do anything with the bones? Or nothing?
These will go into the stock as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna pick out some prime cuts for this. Get this ready.
Sea salt?
Little coarse sea salt. Sometimes we'll change up the spice rub, but for the most part, just a little salt and pepper is all I need. Ready to get this cooked up? Thank you. Cheers.
This is unbelievable. Oh my God. So what are we having with this?
This is absolutely a Pinot Noir friendly dish. So we're doing something from Restaurant California, Dutton Goldfield, Dutton Ranch.
Oh, I love that wine.
It's a fantastic wine. It's one of my favorites. Pairs well with just about everything. And salmon and Pinot Noir are fantastic bedfellows.
Absolutely. So, salmon is delicious.
Yeah, a lot of the food we do here we're not trying to break down barriers or like do new crazy things. It's about what customers want, comfort food. What makes me happy is, you know, getting that smile kind of thing.
Oh my God, this is so good. I want it. Wow.
I haven't had salmon in a couple of days, so.
It's a great thing to say. I haven't had salmon in a couple of days.
We are a little spoiled.
I know you are.
It's
It's so good. So you know what's amazing is driving up here and seeing outside in the strip mall. You would never expect to walk in and find this amazing fine dining establishment like this.
Everything blew up in the 80s and the 90s, so strip malls were the thing.
Yeah, not really nice.
Strip malls were the thing at the time. That's what we had to work with, I guess, is a lot of strip malls. So all the talented chefs, they kind of, in the 80s, they were downtown during the boom years. When they all came out to open up their own places, they found strip malls. So all over town, you'll find really nice restaurants in strip malls.
Yeah, it's great.
That's kind of an interesting history of fun fact that
But
a lot of
imagine
people don't
just
know.
driving through here, and you would never expect that.
To every day, somebody walks in and they say, "Well, I didn't know this place existed, or I had no idea."
Yeah.
So we're definitely a little neighborhood gem.
You are a neighborhood gem that I'm glad to be in.
Thank you.
This is so delicious. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is unbelievable.
Cheers.
This is downtown Anchorage. Going for my reindeer hot dog. I know it might be touristy, but I gotta try this reindeer sausage. Yeah, Hi, it's just a snack. Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, well, I got to do the real thing, so that's
Would
the
you like
reindeer.
regular or spicy today?
I like spicy.
Spicy, you put red pepper flakes on your pizza?
I do.
I would definitely recommend the spicy one then.
You could tell, couldn't you?
Absolutely.
So what else goes into these things?
So I do got a special sauce called the boss sauce. It's my brother's homemade sauce. It's a mustard-based sauce, a little paprika, and a little bit of habanero extract.
Oh, wow.
It's a favorite amongst the locals here. And here's your spicy now.
All right. Thank you. Is that
welcome.
awesome?
Have a good one.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
Bon appetit.
Cheers.
Oh, good.
Put onions on there today?
I like the heat. It feels like like a camping kind of hot dog.
Yeah, and you'll find this both as a street food. You'll find it at breakfast tables,
Really?
pretty much throughout the city of Anchorage.
Very
Every once
good.
in a while, you'll find it as a sandwich too, more like a Philly cheesesteak treatment, kind of in that way. But this is the classic right here.
Oh, I love it. It's really good, and it's I'm really warming up. Like this is perfect for me. Anchorage. Thought I'd try to walk a bit of that off before my next stop, but wouldn't you know it, it's just around the corner. I'm told the Marx Brothers Café is the elegant gem in the heart of downtown Anchorage. It's tiny, quaint, and loaded with charm, and again, I'm told has excellent food. Chef and owner Jack is more than happy to bring out a few of his signature dishes. Wow. Just a little bit of your dishes.
Yeah, just a couple.
Oh my gosh. So what do we have? I can tell that's salmon. of
This is
course.
king salmon with sorrel sauce and mashed purple potatoes.
Oh, I love purple potatoes.
And this is macadamia crusted halibut with a coconut curry sauce, mango chutney, forbidden rice, and grilled Japanese eggplant.
Wow.
And this is our Neapolitan seafood mousse. It's got a layer of smoked salmon, smoked halibut, and Maine lobster with brioche toast points and 2
Wow.
caviar.
I'm doing it. I'm digging in. Wow, that looks incredible. Wow. Oh my God. Mmm. And purple potatoes, to see that, I think it's such an underrated potato. I love them. They come out, you could cook them so many lovely ways, and they're the healthiest potato too.
Are they? I
Oh
didn't
yeah,
know that.
oh yeah, because of the coloring. It's you know, just like you get from a lot of red, like beets are really healthy. It's the coloring. It's the color of them. And so the purple potato is just the same. So just so you know, you're adding more healthy things to people's
Oh,
lives.
good. While I load them with butter.
Oh well. All right, so you take away a little bit of the healthiness. Delicious. It's great texture.
What I like about it is it has a lot of oppositional flavors that come together. The three together
Talk about balance. There you
winds
have it.
up with a little bit of balance.
I just like when you have things, like different things, that when you eat them together, you just get that, it just all pops in your mouth that
Yeah.
way. And that's what's happening with every dish. Totally different, you know, but boy, wow, always like filling your mouth with flavor.
While we're fine dining, we're in Alaska. You know, we're in an old house.
Yeah.
A certain hominess goes along with
Right.
the presentations.
Yeah.
You know, and then along with that, really good china, really good silver, crystal glasses. I mean, all the things you want in a fine dining restaurant. And we were in that late 70s, early 80s, we were early adapters of you could call it, cross-cultural fusion, but
Yeah.
it was a matter of incorporating different ethnic cuisines.
Yeah. We'll see what you come up with next.
Yeah.
Thank you for this, and thank you for this delicious wine, our lovely Pinot Noir to go with the salmon.
And
It's perfect.
I wanted you to try one other thing.
Oh.
That's a real local Alaskan thing. We make a birch syrup butter pecan ice cream.
Say it again.
It's
A
birch syrup butter pecan ice cream.
Okay.
And it's really different. So,
All right.
excuse me for a second. I'll get
Okay.
It's very different than maple. Well, maple is a 50-to-1 reduction. Birch is 100.
Whoa, this is nice. Boy. Ooh, what a nice finish on your palate. Now that nice. After all the salty and the. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, guys. You enjoying the Pinot? From the oldest restaurant in Anchorage, we now drive to the oldest neighborhood. Fire Island Rustic Bake Shop is family owned, and one of the owners is there to show me how to make some scones. Well, Rachel, I'm going to make scones, huh?
Yes, we're gonna
Okay.
make scones. When you understand the process, they can be easy, and you can throw in any fruit you've got in your pantry or fridge, and we'll make a mixed berry scone today.
Okay.
The dry of our scone is gonna be 2 flours, all-purpose, and then a whole wheat pastry flour. We add in sugar and then a scone chemical mixture, which includes salt, baking powder, and baking soda.
Okay.
We'll cut each one into thirds. Yep. Then when we have the butter all in, we'll toss in any frozen fruit you want. We're gonna put in the half and half.
Okay.
Drop it over.
Get every little bit.
Get every little bit, it's all good. But we still have a lot of dry, so
Yeah.
we work it again, exactly. And get one dough so that it really sticks together.
Okay.
I think the fruit is gonna make it wetter too.
That's right. That's what it is. And it's
There we
cold.
go. We want to do a final mix by
Right.
packing it into this form. We push it into the,
Okay, so
Go
you're forming
ahead.
it into this guy.
There
Wow,
we
I'm
go.
working for my food today.
sure are. Flip it over. And then you can cut it into 8s. And you can get 4 rows of 4 if you like.
Come on, stay with me.
Yep. And you can repack them too if they refuse to stay together.
He is. Stay together.
There we go.
So look at these beauties. Oh boy.
Oh boy. We've baked these in an oven that's about 410 degrees for about 22 minutes. But more than that, because no oven is the same and no calibration is the same, you want to look underneath and make sure you have a really golden bottom.
Okay.
Let's make sure they're good.
Oh yeah. Buttery.
Good.
Crunchy, buttery.
And rhubarb.
I love rhubarb, by the
It's
way.
very Alaskan. We're buying rhubarb from our community right now for $1 a pound.
Oh my God.
And we're like, oh cool, we'll run that
Wow.
program through June, but we had
No.
to shut it down. We got so much rhubarb in the first week. Because everybody's like, take all my rhubarb, I want all the Fire Island credit. You guys too.
Dope. Haven't loved rhubarb.
Good. We got you, man.
Fabulous.